Thai has 13 paired low-class consonants in total. That's quite a lot, isn't it? But actually, there's a way to learn all 13 at once, just by memorizing a single sentence. Today, I'll show you how.
All you need to do is remember one sentence. Let's take a look.
Here's the phrase. พ่อขาฟันทองซื้อช้างห่อ
In English, it means a merchant with a gold tooth buys an elephant from Yunnan. It's a fun little story, and that's exactly what makes it easy to remember. First and second, paw and caw. Both appear in the word paw ka, which means merchant. Third, fa. Fawn means teeth. Fourth, taw. Tong means gold. Fifth, saw.ซื้อmeans buys. Sixth, shaw. Chang means elephant. Seventh, haw. Haw refers to people from Yunnan. Now let's read through the whole phrase again.
พ่อค้าฟันทองซื้อช้างห่อพ่อค้าฟันทองซื้อช้างห่อ
That means a merchant with a gold tooth buys an elephant from Yunnan. The consonants that appeared were these 7.
พอคอฟอทอซอชอฮอ
And with a few more sibling letters, that actually covers all 13. Here's a bonus tip. The PH sound isn't only paw. It also has a sibling letter, paw. The KH sound isn't only caw. It also has a sibling letter, caw. The TH sound isn't only taw. It also has 3 sibling letters, taw, taw, taw. The CH sound isn't only chaw. It also has a sibling letter, chaw. They look different, but they're pronounced the same. So once you know this phrase, you've actually covered all 13 letters. Let's go through it one more time. The phrase and all 13 paired low consonants.
พ่อค้าฟันทองซื้อช้างห่อ
A merchant with a gold tooth buys an elephant from Yunnan. With this one sentence, you've mastered all 13 paired low consonants. So, how was that? You've now mastered all 13 paired low-class consonants. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.